since I do work for our IT department at my university, when we transitioned towards remote learning, we were very busy and a lot of our resources were really being strained. I work in the call center, and there was a period where almost every single day I was answering the phone to students asking like, hey, can I please get a loaner computer? I really need to get online to continue my classes and so on. And I had to let them know, I'm really sorry, but our wait time is almost 2 months out. That kind of did inspire my design with Phonebook to kind of create a solution that could really help those in need. Because I did grow up in Nairobi, Kenya, and my parents do still live there, something that we've always noticed is Kenya didn't have landlines as much. So their wireless technology is actually very strong. And in my head, I was thinking, I know a lot of people have cell phones, but they don't have computers. But it is possible to use your phone as a computer these days. I was thinking that this could actually be a product that can be used in areas like Kenya, where communities could kind of just get my design, 3D print it, and then help students get online.